Making customers happy is a serious priority for us, so when one of our happy customers writes to tell us about a job well done, we love sharing that. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming to prove it. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See and you'll be amazed. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Call us today at the number on your screen.